Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explain. In today's video, I'll show you how to unblock someone on Evony. So let's get started. Begin by launching your Evony game. Then tap on the three horizontal dots. Now select Friends option. Then tap on Recommend. And then search for the person that you want to unblock. Then tap on the avatar of your friend. Now tap on the human icon at the top right corner of your screen. You can see three options. To unblock someone, just tap on Unblock option. And this is how you can unblock someone on Evony. Thanks for watching Gaming Explain. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.